manghihingi ka ng chopsticks. Ngayon lang sinabi. Teka, balik tayo. We have chopsticks here.
What's the
Chopsticks.
you don't sell?
You don't know. Maybe just this. Sino nagcha-chopsticks na ano? Pizza? Ang masarap yung kulay pink. Pink gulab. Oh, diba? Plus $8 pa. Uber Eats? Mine is Uber Eats. Surui Punjab. $2. Oh, dito lang, malapit. Tara, check natin. Pagkain ng Punjabi. Surui Punjab.
Turn right, then pick up.
Let's go. Hello. I have pick up for Harnor Uber. Yun, ready na agad. Thank you. Wala siyang imik-imik. Hindi mo lang thank you. Unang order natin, 6 minutes away. Meet at door para kay Farah. Para kay Harnur A. Meet at door. So, manghihingi siya ng PIN. Pagdating natin doon, kailangan natin ng PIN number. Okay, 6 minutes from here. Let's go.
Off on the right.
Hello. For Hanur? Harnur, sorry. What's the PIN? 01. Got it. Thank you. Have a good day. Ang easy drop off, number 1. Balik tayo dun. Malapit lang naman. Tayo. $3. Saan ba yung kisada dito? $3.50. Ayoko, natamad ako dyan. $3.50. Hindi na tayo tumatanggap ng $3.50 ngayon. Dapat $5 and up na. Tapos na tayo sa praktisa. Yun, $10. Sige na. Tanggapin na pala natin. Yun, sa harapan. Tara. So, dalawang pitikapin natin dito. Mas okay naman to kaysa sa $3, di ba? Tara. Ba't ganito tong order? Dalawang drop po. I have pick up for Abby. Yeah. I'm not sure if you know it, but how come there's 2 names here that's showing?
Abi, right?
Yeah, Abby the first, and then
2 order?
I think,
Let me check.
yeah. Ba't ganito? Kasi dalawa yung pangalan. Dalawa yung order eh. Yung number 2, saan ko kukunin yung number 2? Yung suwad. Eh nakalagay dito, isa lang ang pipick upin ko dito sa lugar na to. Oh, it's coming. Okay, so I'll just wait. Oh, hindi pa pala nila na-accept dito. Okay. Oh, that's why it's not showing up here yet. Is it same name? Do you have the same name for the other one? Suwad?
Swap, yes.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Ayun pala. Buti na lang nakita ko yun kasi baka sakali, isa lang ang mapipick up natin. So, yan dapat pick up. And then, yung number 2 nakaitim eh. So, antayin natin ma-activate yan siguro. Or I don't know. Makikita natin mamaya.
Hello.
Hi.
These two on order.
These two are whose order?
Yeah, for Abi. And that's the other one.
Okay. Kasi kaya lahat dito. So, itong malaki kay Abby. The other one is Suwad?
Yeah, you can find the name here.
Oh, it's right there. Okay, I'll just put it on top. Thank you.
Right, thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Will you eat?
Okay na, baka lalabas yung isa mamaya. Eh, kakaiba tong order na na-receive ko ah. Kasi dapat lalabas na rin yung isa eh. Yung Suwad, yung i-verify order ko rin dapat yun eh. Pero hindi siya lumabas. Pero na-print screen naman natin yung address niya. Just in case na hindi lalabas talaga yung address niya. So, it's okay. Order number 2 and 3. Kay Abby muna tayo. Continue next stop. Oh, ito lumabas yung kay Suwad din. Okay, so confirm ko na rin. Complete pick up. Ayos na. So kanina tayo una. Kay Abby. Humihingi pa ng chopsticks. Ngayon lang sinabi. Teka, balik tayo. Hi. Sorry. Abby is requesting for chopsticks.
Sorry?
She's requesting for chopsticks. If you have. Abby,
What request?
can you also bring chopsticks? That's what she said. We have chopsticks here.
What's that?
Chopsticks.
We don't have.
We don't have. Maybe just this. This one? Or I don't know.
Those are not good. So you
Okay, I'll just message her. I'm a this girl, ha? Mamaya, wala naman tip, ha? Let's go. Punta tayo kay Abby na hinihingi ng chopsticks para sa pizza. Sino nagcha-chopsticks na ano? Pizza? O baka nagtitrip lang to? Nagtitrip lang to.
Drop off. Abby A says, meet at door. Can you bring chopsticks? 2, please.
Walang chopsticks, sorry. Saka na, Abby. Hi, I'm outside.
For calling. I'll see if this person is available. Hello?
Hi, I'm outside.
Oh, okay. Just leave it on the bench. I'm coming.
Bench?
Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
And
Bye.
there's no chopsticks. The guy said, oh, bagsak mo ko ah. Tatanungin ko sana kung bakit ka nagtatanong ng chopsticks eh. Hi. Hi.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes. And the guy said they don't have chopsticks. Alright. Sibuyas. Sibuyas pala siya. Bago sa akin to, request signature. So, punta na tayo kay Suwad. Meet at door, orders no, townhouse siya. Okay, townhouse, let's go. Suwad, 4 minutes from here. Pero request signature, bago to, paano kaya to? Sige, ito ma-experience natin. Okay. Let's go. Order number 2. 4 minutes from here, malapit lang, tara.
Turn left on 124 Street.
Uber delivery rin to. Uber Eats? Mine is Uber Eats. Hi. Thank you. And it's asking for signature.
Okay.
Yeah, it's my first time. Oh, you need to.
On here?
I think. Oh wait, no. Collect. Oh, yeah. Here maybe.
Oh. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Ganun pala yun. Confirm delivery. So, okay. So, ganun lang pala yun. Done. Okay, let's go bro. Tayo lalabas dito. Yun, may na-receive tayo. Kunin na natin yan. Bahala na kung saan tayo mapunta. $4, 2 kilometers. Let's go. Bahala na kung saan tayo mapunta. Huwag kang nakaladkarin. Ano ka left? Basta may GPS, saka may gas. Ayos na yan. Tira lang.
In
Let's go.
300 meters, turn left.
Double deck, oh. Double decker. Walang puro mga sweets pala to. Ang masarap yung kulay pink. Pink gulab. Hi, Uber, yeah. For Manfred. This both? Alright, thank you. So, mga Indian nating friends, order kayo dyan. Masala Junction. Next order natin, para kay Manpreet, meron din siyang meet at door. Please come to the right side of the house.
Drop off.
Tignan natin yung pin, kasi may pin eh. Bago tayo pumasok sa loob. Hi! Manpreet? Oh, okay. There's a pin. Alright. Oh. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Got it. Thanks. Okay. Buti lumabas na. Hindi natin kailangan pumasok. Okay, so magkano na ba tayo? total natin $30. Pwede na siguro. Mag-drive na tayo pabalik sa bahay. Pag may ma-pick up tayong isa, good. Pag wala, uwi na tayo. Yun, may nakuha tayo. Royal Curry. Talagang puro mga pang ano, tara. $5, 3 kilometers. Pang simuyas yung magain na. Ito lang yan. Ayun, Royal Curry and Sweets. Nasa harapan natin. Okay, ang pipick upin natin 2 items. Chole, bachur. May isa pang pick up. Plus $8. Hold on for a sec. Sige, kunin natin yan. Accept. Sunod-sunod ah. Sorry. For Hina. Thank you. Verify order. May dagdag pa tayong isa. Yung isang yan, last order na siguro natin. Pang 5 na, dami na. Kota na tayo dyan. $50. Ang mga around $50 na siguro tayo. Alba siya. Yan yata yung pipikapan ko. Na isa. Teka, accept natin. O yun nga. Alba siya. Ayun, teka. Huwag natin start. Kunin na natin. Buti na lang in-accept ko. Ayos. Andito lang. Para kay Kabir. Oh, di ba? Plus $8 pa to. Daming tao. Pick up for Kabir. Thank you. May flag ng Syria. Okay, Syria pa na. Iba-iba yung napuntahan natin ngayon, guys. Which is good. Yun ang maganda dito. Dami ko nakitang iba-iba. Magkatabi. Curry tsaka Albasa yan, magkatabi lang. Good. Ito na game, next stop. 10 minutes from here. Para kay Hina. Sino ba si Hina dito? Leave at door lang siya. Kay Hina, punta na kami dyan. Let's go.
Just ahead, drop off.
Head to your
Done.
drop of 73 150 Street.
Okay, delivered. Next tayo. Para kay Kabir naman. Leave at door din. 10 minutes from here. Okay.
Off on the right.
Dito na tayo. 5973. There you go. Thank you. Done. Okay. Tapos complete na tayo. Ayos na. Oh, $13. Ayun, naka 400 na tayo ngayong week. Kota na yan. 2 days, naka $44 tayo. So hanggang dito na lang uli po tayo. Marami pong salamat dun sa 95 subscribers natin ngayon. Thank you so much. Pakunti-kunti, araw-araw na dadagdagan. Maraming pong salamat. Sana hindi na po tayo mabawasan, lalo po tayo madagdagan. Maraming pong salamat. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.